The art of letting go opens the path to happiness, releasing what weighs you down so you can rise with peace, clarity, and freedom. And that is the thought for today. This episode of 7 Good Minutes is sponsored by BetterHelp. Let's talk about mental health. It's Mental Health Awareness Month, and while the conversation has come a long way, there's still work to do. In a recent survey, 26% of Americans said they've avoided getting mental health support because they feared being judged. And that hesitation doesn't just affect individuals, it impacts families, workplaces, and entire communities. Here's the truth. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Therapy isn't only for moments of crisis. It can help with stress, boundaries, communication, and becoming the best version of yourself. That's where BetterHelp comes in. With over 10 years of experience, they've connected more than 5 million people with licensed therapists from a network of over 30,000. It's convenient, fully online, and you can switch therapists anytime at no extra cost. We're all better with help. Visit betterhelp.com/7goodminutes to get 10% off your first month. That's better. HELP.com/7goodminutes. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's episode of 7 Good Minutes, we talk about the art of letting go and the path to happiness. Enjoy. Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to truly let go of negativity and find real happiness? Negativity can weigh us down, making it hard to enjoy life's simple pleasures. It's like carrying a heavy backpack. The longer you carry it, the more it affects your journey. Imagine being able to set it down and walk freely. Many of us don't realize how much negativity impacts our lives. It seeps into our thoughts, affecting our mood and relationships. It's a cycle that's hard to break, but understanding its impact is the first step. Letting go of negativity isn't just about feeling better. It's about living a more fulfilled life. It's about finding happiness in who you are and what you do. It's a journey worth taking. To start this journey, you need to be open to change. This means being willing to look at your thoughts and feelings, even the uncomfortable ones. It's not always easy, but it's necessary for growth. Being open to change also means being kind to yourself. Remember, you're not trying to criticize yourself, but to understand and improve. Take a deep breath and let's get started. The process of letting go begins with identifying negative thoughts. These are thoughts that make you feel bad about yourself or others. They can be loud and persistent, but recognizing them is key. Once you've identified them, try to understand where they're coming from. Sometimes, negative thoughts are rooted in past experiences or fears. Understanding their source can help you address them more effectively. Reframing these thoughts is the next step. This means challenging their validity and replacing them with more positive, realistic ones. For example, I'm a failure can become, I made a mistake, but I can learn from it. Practicing gratitude is also crucial. Take a few minutes each day to write down things you're thankful for. This shifts your focus from what's going wrong to what's going right. It's not just about changing your thoughts, but also about changing your reactions. When negative thoughts arise, take a moment to breathe and choose how you respond. Another powerful tool is mindfulness. It helps you stay present and aware of your thoughts without judgment. This awareness gives you the power to choose. As you practice these steps, you'll start to notice a shift. Negative thoughts won't disappear overnight, but they'll lose their grip on you. You'll feel lighter, freer. Imagine being able to enjoy moments without the cloud of negativity. Imagine feeling happy, truly happy, without guilt or conditions. Real-life examples can make this process clearer. Think of a situation where you felt stuck in negativity. Maybe it was a disagreement with a friend or a stressful day at work. Visualize applying these techniques in that situation. See yourself identifying negative thoughts, reframing them, and choosing a positive response. Feel the difference? Mindfulness practices and positive affirmations can enhance this journey. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself. They can boost your confidence and mood. For example, I am capable and strong. Or, I choose happiness and positivity. Repeat them daily, especially when you're feeling stressed or down. Common obstacles include self-doubt and fear of change. It's normal to feel uncertain when you're trying something new. The key is to be patient and kind to yourself. Remember, letting go of negativity is a process. It's okay to take it one step at a time. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Letting go of negativity isn't about ignoring problems, but about facing them with a positive mindset. It's about choosing happiness, even when it's hard. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening.